Oh, man, look at this. Maybe some problems for. It is. Look at this. Paul Silva's in the Mustang waiting, but the 67 Camaro, Brian Taglieri, on Freeport, New York. New York, excuse me. Yeah, New York with a hot dog in your throat. Nice burnout. Nice burnout. You know what's neat about this one? Rich and the boys are sitting there with the camera wondering if it's a Liberty. It is. Hang on. We're going to bang the clutch and a little banana on the tower side. Paul Silva out of Toronto, Canada, 87 Mustang. JP Performance owned. Him and his brother Joe doing a great job in this drag racing world. They've done a big movement for the 5.0 Ford movement, and let's see what they can do here in Orlando this year. Watch the little Mustang. 4-speed, 384 cubic inches of nitrous oxide assisted, pure street 10.5-inch fun. All right, bringing the RPMs up. Look at this, the New York-based Chevrolet Camaro trying to hang with the Mustang. Digs off the starting line. Better hole shot would go to Taglieri, but look at the pony car. Picking up on the saddle on the top end. 849 with a victory. 164 miles per hour. That moves us into some more Chevrolet. Goes down there, gets a hot dog, and enjoys the rest of the race from the bleachers. That'll bring up Dennis Ramsey, number 4 qualifier, and here comes the Canadian. It's going to be an all-Ford battle this time. The JP Performance Paul Silva machine out of Toronto, Canada. They came in and qualified number 13 with this 87 Mustang with a small block 384 and a stick shift. You know, the question here is Ramsey's machine running up to par? After we went to the Shiska barbecue in the last outing, blowing flames out of the hood, it makes you wonder, will Ramsey have enough to get around the Canadians in this outing? Ladies and gentlemen, the number 4 qualifier, Dennis Ramsey, and Chuck Fest's machine sitting there waiting. God, is that announcer good, huh, fans? All right, here they go into the lights. Boom, there we go. Look at Ramsey hanging with the Canadian down to the 8th mile. Oh, man, that's an engine explosion. And it looks like Silva and the boys go another round. 843, 165. Ramsey smokes to a 10-second motor explosion. How about Paul Silva? Are you ready for Canada? Get on your hockey skates, man. This is what it's about. No checking in the boards. Silva will take on Todd Jackson. I don't see him. Where is he? Here comes Silva. Oh, listen to the RPMs of that little Ford. Man, oh man, the JP Performance Canadian team. Joe and Paul Silva. A couple of brotherly love teams. Like I said before, these guys have done so much for the 5.0 movement in the Ford Drag Racing Series. Right now, it's time to nos your brains out. Todd Jackson out of Kingston, North Carolina, brings the arms up. Oh, look at a hole shot. Hole shot goes over to Jackson, but Silva will have none of it on the top end. Banging into the high gear in that stick shift Ford Mustang, 841, 165. Jackson doesn't dump the laundry. Even Scott Hawking's wondering about this afternoon. Mike Hill runs incredible, 836. Who will he take on? Will it be the Canadian? I love this sound. And here comes Tom Callis. Man, oh man. Speed World has to be proud right now. Tom Callis, number 17 qualifier, made it to the semis. Orlando, Florida-based machine. Carl Weisinger, the owner of the 69 Chevrolet Camaro. You gotta love this. 489 cubic inches. The Ford 384 cubic inches of Ford power ready to go. Silva leaves the line with the wheels in here. Move into second gear. Silva's got one hanging out. Callis may get walked on. Look at the Ford fans. The Canadians go to the final. It'll be an 851, 163 mile per hour charge. Callis won 871. Fans, we've got a Canadian-U.S. battle coming up in the final of Pier Street. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Canadians and Americans, get ready. The final in Pier Street Eliminator on its way. Listen to the Chevys and the Fords. The burnouts have been complete. Now we give you the number 7 qualified machine of Mike Hill. You may say it's been the upset Nationals. The Canadians hailing the Maple Leaf out there. They are pumped about this one. Paul Silva, the JP Performance sponsored Ford Mustang, the number 13 qualifier. Who said 13 was an unlucky number? Man, oh man. You know, this has been the upset Nationals. The best in the world have gone out early. Now, 2 of the best in the business ready to bang heads here at Orlando Speed World in the Pier Street Final. Silva rolls
Hill's into the beats for the battle. Hill's in, lights it out. Green light start. Both cars leaving hard on the green. Better hole shot goes to Mike Hill. Now let's see if he can run those incredible 20s he's been running all week. Mike Hill in the Chevy takes the win on the top end. Hill goes 829, 168 miles per hour. The Canadians, the Ford, the fans, it's a 10, baby. It is a 10:01.
What an awesome afternoon of drag racing at Orlando Speed World with the Real World Street Nationals. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Al Tucci. On behalf of all the fine people at Orlando Speed World, remember, you don't have to drive fast and enjoy fast driving. Just get it on your TV screen at home. We'll see you at the same time, same place next year.